Thank you. Today we are going to learn about mathematics in real life. Do you know why you have to learn mathematics?
No, I don't.
Okay, before we start, I will show you a video. It will help you understand better why you have to learn mathematics. Please watch the video and listen carefully. Then write main idea in your paper. After you finish your work, we will summarize why you have to learn mathematics together.
As you're sitting in your desk listening to the math lesson for the day, the thought might come to mind, when am I ever going to use this in my life? It can be frustrating to keep practicing the same things over and over when they don't seem to have any real use. But wait, back up. Of course math is useful. We use math every single day, and a quick trip around town can show us many of the different ways that math can be used in our daily lives. One of the first things many people do when they wake up is check the time so they can plan their day. If we didn't know how to tell time, we'd be late for absolutely everything. What time does your clock say when you first wake up? Exactly, it's 8 a.m. When you wake up, you're probably pretty hungry. Pancakes are my favorite thing to have for breakfast. This recipe calls for 1 1/4 cup milk, but I only have 1/4 cup. So what can I do? In math, we've learned how to add fractions. So we know that we can add the 1/4 cups to make 1 1/4 cup. So let's count the 1/4 cups to make 1 1/4 cup. That's 1/4 cup. Now we have 2/4 cups, 3/4 cups, and 1 cup. Now we just have to add the last 1/4 cup to make 1 1/4 cups. After breakfast, we can take a trip to the store to buy groceries. We need to pick up bread, butter, milk, and eggs. How much is this going to cost us? Adding money is just like adding decimals. The butter is $1.75, or 1.75. The bread is $4, or 4.0. The milk is $3.25, or 3.25. And the eggs are $2.50, or 2.5. Let's add these decimals to find our total cost. We know that 5 plus 5 is 10, so we can put the 0 in the hundreds place and carry the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. We'll put the 5 in the tens place and carry the 1 to the ones place. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 11. So now we know that our total is $11.50. Let's get out the money that we need to pay for this. To make $11, I can use a $10 bill and a $1 bill. To make 50 cents, I'll use the 2 quarters. Now we have enough for our groceries. Math can be used in so many different ways in our everyday life. From telling time, to adding, to counting, life would be a lot harder without all of the helpful skills that we learn in our math class.
Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, now we will summarize why you have to learn mathematics. Please show me about your opinion.
Simple math can help you make healthy choice.
You?
When I go to supermarket, I must spend money to buy something.
Okay, you.
Calibrating your time, you save your time.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next part. Now we learn about steps to solve our problem. First, read the word problem carefully. Second, understand the problem. What do you know and what do you need to find out? Third, plan the working. Decide what operation to use. And fourth, solve the problem. Writing the number sentence and find the answer.
You learn about steps to solve a word problem. Okay, let's see the example. Read the following problem on your sheet.
160 Thai baht. Bag 300 Thai baht. T-shirt 100 Thai baht. If you want to buy 3 T-shirts, 2 bags, and 2 shoes, how much money do you have to pay?
How to solve this problem?
Multiply and addition.
Okay. Go through the following steps to solve this problem. First step, to find out how much money you have to pay by multiplication. 100 multiply 3 is equal to 300. 300 multiply 2 is equal to 600. 160 multiply 2 is equal to 320.
Then add each result from the multiplication. Plus 300, plus 600, plus 320. The answer is I have to pay 1,200 with 20 Thai baht. Okay, next. Student do in activity. Activity 2. Solving word problem. Okay. Start. Are you finished?
Yes.
Move to the next part.
Next step, we are going to do activity 3. Plan your accounting expense for 1 month. If you have a budget for 10,000 Thai baht, process. First, assign or expand into 5 categories. For example, food, fuel, personal use, gym. Second, set cost on each topic. For example, food 3,500 Thai baht. For fuel 2,100 Thai baht. Third, turn expense into a percentage. For example, food 3,500 baht equal 35%. For fuel 2,000 Thai baht equal 20%. And finally, create a pie chart from a data. This is the pie chart monthly expense plan.
After you create a pie chart, write a summary of your budget in each category and explain how much you would spend on the table. My monthly expense plan of 10,000 Thai baht budget. The most spending I will spend on food explosively 35%, which is 3,500 Thai baht. The last spending I will spend on personal use approximately 8%, which is 800 Thai baht. All this is example. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Please send your work on next class. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. See you again.